Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am here with a new snack box subscription, at least to my channel. Now, the box says Caroo, but the contents are from Snacknation. Caroo is a corporate gifting service that has all kinds of boxes available. But I chose the Snacknation box. I got 15 snacks. Now the 15 snack box is $31.95 a month. It will renew automatically every month through Amazon. They also have 8 snacks, 50 snacks, 8 snacks, 30 snacks, 50 snacks, and 150 snacks. So they have a lot of possibilities available. I have the 15 snack box for $31.95, and I did a little math, and each snack averages out to be about $2.13 each, which is not that bad. And this is a healthy snack box, so let's go ahead and see what I have inside. That's what it looks like when you open it. Someone's been thinking of you. Okay. Nourish your body and mind with a healthier snack break. Someone's been thinking of you and partnered with Caroo to bring you a thoughtful mix of delicious snacks that keep you energized and feeling your best. So their curation team scours the world to find the latest brands for you. Every snack is made with real ingredients you can trust. And we partnered with hundreds of emerging brands, including Black-founded, woman-founded, and people of color-founded brands. Very nice. Okay. Wow. Look at all that. So let's see what we got. A tahini bar, super seed sesame bar in vanilla. I will taste some of these things too. This is Purple Power Organic, oh wait, what is it? Peel and Eat Fruit Leather. Oh, peel and fruit eat leather. So it's like a fruit roll-up kind of thing? Is that what? That's what I'm getting out of that. Skinny Jimmy Protein Bar. Wake and Focus. Gluten-free. So far, these seem small. So, I like to snack, and this just seems like just a tease to me. Okay. Emmy's Vanilla Bean Organic Coconut Cookie. Now, I received this last time in my other snack box, and I gave it to a friend of mine, and she thought this was really, really good. Another You Love Fruit roll-up kind of thing. They call it fruit leather. That's bizarre. The packaging's cute, but I think the name is, I mean, do we really want to eat leather? You know what I'm saying? Okay. ZZ's Honey Roasted Sunflower Kernels, portable protein and nut-free. I like sunflower seeds. And then we have Love Corn, Crunchy Corn Snack. Oh, okay. Might have to watch about my teeth on these. Ooh, Shortbread Biscuits. Yum. Those will be really good with my tea. ZZ's Berry Apple. Okay, here's here's the wording again. It's an apple crisp, right? So crisp, soft baked bar. So is it crispy or is it soft? I like the packaging, but the wording is just contradictory to itself. And then Think Jerky grass-fed beef stick. It's only that big, so it's a small one. Another tahini bar, so we got 2 of those. Cranberry health mix, oh, kind of like a granola kind of thing. And then Parm Crisps, sour cream and onion, 100% cheese snack. And we have Incredipuffs, cheesy cheddar. And then the last thing in the box, yep, last thing in the box is Appleways cheddar cheese wheat crispy crackers. I love crackers, like Cheez-Its, Triscuit, any of those. I love crackers. I will choose crackers over chips. I don't know why. Okay, well then let's try these crackers since I have them in my hand. So they look like a Cheez-It. Mmm. Mmm. Oh yes. These are good. Mm-hmm. What else should we try? I want to try these biscuits. I want to try the Shortbread Biscuits. What kind of a design is on there? There's some kind of a design on there. Darlington. Ah, that's a D. Okay, got it. Very buttery. Doesn't quite melt in your mouth, but it's very good. Okay, I've got to see what these fruit things are. Now that's interesting. Very interesting. You see that? It's like a jelly of some sort on there. Okay. Oh, yeah. Mmm. It's firmer than like a gummy bear. It does remind me of a fruit roll-up, but better. But this is adult. These are adult fruit roll-ups. It tastes like apple pie. That's really good. So if this was my healthy candy, I would be happy with that. Definitely. Well, wow, I do like everything I got. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We got 15 things. I'm happy with the choices they sent me, and we will be eating those. I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.